Good afternoon, good evening, good night, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great Sunday. Well, it's day 14 of the chili seed propagators. Let's have a little check-in and see how everything's doing. Done a few transplants yesterday, a few pots for the Kashmiri merch. Most of, if not all, the cayennes and the 2 padrones. Today, I think we're going to be going for the purple plants, the Buena Mulatas and dream catchers, and we'll just see how those go. But let's take some of them out, have a little look in the light. Going to be doing a little bit of bottom watering today, as you can see here where the ghost peppers are and a few at the back. The soil's a lot drier, you can pick it up a lot easier in the LED lights. So we'll get some water from the bottom, a few nutrients as well. Now the true leaves are showing, we'll put a little bit more fertilizer in the water and let it soak up from the bottom and see what happens. But let's take these trays out and the plant pots out, and we'll have a little look today at how everything is doing. Okay. All right, Sugarous Peach Stripey first. They're looking good. Ghost peppers are coming along nicely. I think a bit of water and fertilizer, like I said, be all set. Habaneros are opening up nicely now, and the Carolina Reapers showing great. These, who knows what will happen. They've kind of been like this for quite a while. And then the Zimbabwe Black. Let's have a look at tray 2. Okay, tray 2. Zabrangia are doing great now. Armageddons, those true leaves have come along nicely. Still waiting for that one. Zabrangia's there. The ahi pineapple will give that a miss. And then my large orange tie. Now, as you can see, they've bent a little bit over to the left. That's because I think they're aiming towards the light, so we'll make them switch around, make sure that they bend back and straighten up. Let's hit tray 3. What are you doing? Shall we look at tray 3? Okay. Right. Jalapenos. That leggy one's got his nice true leaves there. Tabasco's looking good. Buena Mulatas. Look at those true leaves. Okay. Dream catchers. Beautiful true leaves. There. And then the Scotch bonnet MOAs. And we've got the true leaf showing there. Let's have a little look at tray 4. Okay, tray 4. Quite a few missing because of yesterday, the up potting. So the sweet banana looking great. That's come along nicely, that has. Same with the poblano. Black jalapeno, they are slowest of the lot, but they are coming up. Just gonna need to give them a bit more time. And the cayennes, they've got to change over today. And the Scotch bonnet MOAs are looking good. Let me show you what we did yesterday. So the Kashmiri merch were put into larger pots yesterday. 4 there. Sorry, 6, there's just 1, 2, and then these 4 cups. And then the back there, that's a padrone, as well as that one. And then cutting across the lights, we've got the 4 cayennes from yesterday in the larger pots. So that's everything. We've adjusted everything a little bit, swapped it around. We'll keep checking on these. Again, we'll get a little bit of water in. And I think the large orange ties and the Buena Mulatas, dream catchers maybe, and those few more cayennes will have to be up potted today. And we'll see how things go. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching today. Your viewing time is precious and I really appreciate it. So from Lucy and I, Here's a happy Sunday to you all. You take care of yourselves. We'll see you tomorrow. Look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Hope you all have a great, great day. Much love, much respect. See you all tomorrow.